Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma TR3750i or 3700 series. I want to show you ways to scan documents with this printer to your computer. First of all, before you start, you need to make sure the printer and your computer are connected together via a wireless network or Wi-Fi direct or with a USB cable. In this case, we connected the printer and laptop together via wireless network. To scan documents, open the glass scanner and put the document you want to scan face down. Make sure the document starts from the top left side. You will see arrow on the top left corner of the printer. Close the cover. The first method to scan documents, we want to use Windows Scanner. So go to Laptop Start, go to the settings, select Printers and Scanners, add a device, and look from the list Canon TS3700 series from the list. Select on it. It will show you that the printer is idle. Select Settings, open Scanner, and the printer is selected. Then select Source as flatbed or auto-configured. Source is flatbed. File type, scroll down to select PDF. Show more. Resolution, maximum 600 dp at 300 is selected. Save file to document. We want to save this file to document. Save file. Select Documents. Select OK. Then select Scan. Select View to view the file. This is the document we scanned. To print it out, you select Ctrl P to print the document out. But I won't print it out now, but you have option to do that. You select Print to print the document out. Another method to scan documents, select More Devices and Printer Settings. It will show you the printer images. Then look from the list and select Canon TS3700 series. Select on it. Once you select on the printer, right-click the mouse. It will show you see what is printing. Set as default printer. Printer preference. Printer properties, select Start Scan. Then it will show you this scan dialog. Select Profile as Documents. Select OK. Source, flatbed, color format. We want to scan this document in color. Then file type, scroll down to select PNG. Resolution, 300 dpi. You can scroll down to select resolution you prefer. 300 is selected. Then select Scan. This is the second method to scan documents. So this document is scanned. Select More option. Then you select Browse where you want to save the document. We want to save it in Document and also save it as date imported. Then you select OK. Then select Next. Select Import. You will hear a tune. The document is imported to the PC. If you want to see this document with scan, go to File, Explorer. Then select Documents. Then type the date the document was scanned. Select on it. It will show you the document. This is the document, and also check the time. Right-click the document to open. This is the document we scanned. You can print it out. To print it out, you select Ctrl P. Then select Printer is selected. Scroll down to select. Make sure you select the correct printer. Orientation, Portrait. Select the size of the paper, plain paper and normal. More option. Print on one side. The document is one-page document. You can print on two sides with this printer. So print on one side, plain paper, quality. Can select high, standard, draft, or auto. Auto is selected. And also color mode, we want to print this in color. Document binding is none. Borderless printing is on. Then you select OK. So borderless printing is on. Then you select OK. Select OK. Then select Print. This is the document we scanned, save it to the computer, and print it out. Now, another method to scan document, we're going to use Canon Print app. So this printer and laptop are connected together. So go to Laptop Start, go to Microsoft Store, search Canon Print. Download Canon Print app and open Canon Print app. This is Canon Print app. And the printer is online. This is the printer. If the printer is not available, you need to add the printer. So the printer is online. To scan document, open glass scanner and stick the document on the glass scanner face down. Close the cover. Then select scan. Select original type as document. Resolution 600 is maximum. 300 dpi selected. If we select 600 dpi, it will scan the document, but it will take longer. So I usually like to select 300 dpi for the document to be quicker. Then select scan. So the document is scanning. This is the document. If you want to scan the second page, I want us to scan this. Stick the document you want to scan on the glass scanner face down. Close the cover. To scan the next page, select Next Scan. Select the same feature, then select Scan. This is the second page, second document we scanned. Scan this as many as you like. I prefer to use Canon Print app. So to save this file, make sure you select PDF and select Save. Then decide where you want to save the file. It will go to OneDrive, but I usually select Documents. Select Documents. You can give the file name and make sure it's in PDF. Then select Save. So this document is saved to the PC. If you want to see it, then select on it, and it will show you the document. This is the document. We scanned 2 of those. To print it out, you select Ctrl P, or you select print icon. In this case, I want us to print it two-sided because we got 2 pages document here. So scroll down to select correct printer. It will show you 2 sheets of paper. Number of copies, 1. We want to print it in color. Then scroll down, more settings. I want to print on both sides. Fit to printable area, then select default, then select print. Take the document printed out, reload it on the tray with the area already printed out facing at the back. Once you reload it, you also need to confirm the paper. Select OK as A4. Once you confirm it, it will print out the second page. This is the document we scanned and printed it out double-sided. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed.